Good morning, students. Hope you all are good and staying at your home safely. So, student, as I have discussed and explained you the first and second paragraph of the poem Rain on the Roof, quotes Kenny. So, I will give you a quick summary of those two paragraphs once again. Then I'll explain you paragraph 3. So, as I discussed that in this poem, the poet expresses his love for nature and praises the healing power of rain, especially when heard from a cozy bed in a lovely cottage. As the poet is thrilled when he observes the starry sky being overcast with rain bearing clouds, means the dark clouds, but he does not like the darkness that spread all around. It is something like the sadness spread that is dissolved in that time. So he was very much sad after seeing the dark sky. Soon it started raining to compensate it with the spirit of peace for the lonely night at hand. The poet feels immense pleasure to lie in his cottage chamber bed with his head pressed against a soft pillow and listen to the sound of the raindrop falling on the tin roof overhead. And every drop of a rain falling on the roof make a tinkling sound that produces an echo in the poet's heart. These sounds arouse a thousand imaginations in the poet's busy mind, as I have told you in the second paragraph. So the pattering sound of the raindrop also revive thousands memories of his childhood. One of these memories is related to his dear mother who is not in this world. So now I will explain you paragraph 3, as paragraph 3 says, now in memory comes my mother as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain, which is played upon the singers by the patter of the rain. So I am repeating the word meaning with you all. So the word meaning is like this: memory, remembrance; darling, lovely; dreamers means your one who dreams; ere means that is an old poetic word for before. Before को हम लोग we use as a ere. Dawn, early morning; fond, lovely or affectionate; and then list, that is old poetic word for listen; refrain, a repeated part of a song or poem. कोई word को लेकर बार बार उसे repeat करना in a poem or in a song, that is refrain. Regard, as you all know that is consider. Agone means an arch version of the word ago, meaning past, जो कि बहुत दूर जा चुकी है. So here poets means the poet remembers how many years ago, means he was remembering his childhood. In his childhood, his mother used to look affectionately at her children when they were sleeping and having dreams. She did so because she knew she could not see them till the next morning. Dawn means next morning. Why? She also wants to sleep. So she knows कि भाई मैं उतनी देर तक नहीं जग पाऊँगी, अपने बच्चों को सुबह तक सोते हुए नहीं देख पाऊँगी. So she knew that she could not see them till the next morning. In his memory, in the poet's memory, the poet could see the loving look of his mother as he listened to the repetitive rhythm of the raindrops falling on the roof of his cottage. So here basically poet was remembering his childhood, whether like his mother used to look affectionately at her children when they were sleeping. So in this way he was remembering his childhood when his mother was alive. As we can say that the poet is describing the first memory that he can actually identify among the patchwork of his memories, when he had imaginated or clustered his memory in his mind. When I told you in the previous first paragraph that he had the memory clustered in his mind. So he remembered that during his childhood his mother used to look at him and his sibling as they were sleeping and having very pleasant dream. So his mother would make a point to look at them every night, for she knew she would not see them again till the next morning. His mother would bend down and watch over him in a very particular manner. So these memories are evoked as he listens to the repetitive rhythm of the raindrop as they are falling on his roof. So every time when the raindrop fall on his roof, he was remember all his childhood memory, especially his mother, when she used to look at them every night, means him or his sibling also, and she knew that she will not be there till the next morning. So in this way he was remembering his childhood memories. So student, this is the last paragraph which I had explained you. So now I'll go with the question answers. The first question is, who comes in the memory of the poet? The poet's mother comes in his memory. Second, what does the poet remember about his mother? The poet remembers the affectionate look of his mother, means the lovely look of his mother. Who are the darling dreamers in the above stanza? They are the poet himself and his sibling. Means darling dreamers means जो उसके darling dear ones हैं. So उसके dear ones कौन से हुए? They are the poet himself and his siblings. Now the last question, what refrain is the poet talking about? Refrain, I have told you the word which is repeated in the song or in a poem. So the poet is talking about the repetitive sound of the raindrops falling on the rooftop of his cottage. So this is the refrain, the sound of the raindrops falling on the rooftop of his cottage. So in this way I had completed my 3 paragraph of the poem with you all, and tomorrow I will be discussing the question answers with you all in the class in the WhatsApp group first. Then I will be sending you the video related to the discussion of the question answers of the chapter Rain on the Roof. And from Monday I will start with the chapter 5th, that is the Happy Prince of Moment book. So I have completed till that one 4th chapter, and I will be taking up the class of Moment, that is on Monday, 5th chapter, the Happy Prince. And students, all of you have to write down these 3 paragraph question answers in your copy with the central theme and plus back questions that is given in your chapter. We will discuss it on Saturday, that is tomorrow. So till then, take care. Thank you students, and bye bye.